Hi, guys, and welcome to yet another episode of What's on My Table. And for all those thinking about what came in this lovely big box, which I shared on our film group, here's everything that came with it. To start with, I got a Minolta light meter. This is from one of our senior members on the group. So, this is the light meter. This helps you take meter readings. So, this is what came, and I put some batteries in it. It seems to be working. We have to see how it works and have a look at it. Then coming to this is one of those Instamatic cameras which can be used as a display piece. These are all damaged, but we're going to try and see how we can probably bring it back to life, which of course looks quite hard the way it is. It's about this. Even I don't know what I can do with this, but it looks like a nice display piece. But I don't know why it's so heavy and so fat, like it's got some digital processor inside it, because it looks like a digital back. I've not seen any film camera that's so fat thickness wise, so we'll figure out what that does. Then we've got a Sony lens. It's a 3.5 to 5.6 1855 optically stabilized lens. I thought this was 1650 when I first saw it, but I think it's the 1855 for a cropped sensor. So let's see what we can do with it. I'm not fully sure what condition it is in. Excuse my eye, I had a little bleeding in the white of the eye because of high blood pressure. I don't know how, but yeah, that apart, this is the lens. Then there's a nice little Kodak Instamatic which came with its cover, this cover. So we're going to clean it nicely and try and restore it, so we can probably put it along with this and see how it works. I don't know how this comes out, but this has come with an entire case and it definitely looks quite nice. We'll figure out how to use it. And there's another Kodak camera which is an Instamatic, and this looks quite nice too. And how these things work, but yeah, we'll figure out. These are great for collections. I'll have to do a bit of reading. Seems to wind quite well, and yeah, winding quite well, and yeah, it clicks too. These are two dead Yashicas, which are quite nice in the sense they can be used to be dismantled. They're very heavy. I can dismantle them. I can use the logos, make some artwork with it, show a blown up view of the camera and whatever parts it comes with. And then last but not the least, we've got this amazing accessory which is made by Pentax, Asahi Pentax, right? Yeah. So it's a mirror adapter. So what the mirror adapter does is you attach it to a 58 lens, and you've got a mirror right inside it, which is at 45 degrees. It's more like a periscope. So you could hold your camera like this and act like you're actually shooting something in this direction, while you slyly shoot something on the right. Well, this is probably used to get very candid moments on the street if you are a proponent of street photography. So this is for that. And it's a nice attachment. I'm going to read up a little bit about this, and it's going to go through a nice cleanup. And this will definitely come of use when you want to do some fun street shots where you're probably capturing a very candid moment without really disturbing your subject. So that's it for now. We've got another video coming up tonight, which is about this Minolta 16. It's a very nice little camera. It was called the Pocket or the Spy camera, but I don't think it's as much a spy camera as it seems. It's pretty large, but it looks nice. It looks really nice, and that's the reason I bought it. I cleaned it too. Oh, it's a lovely little camera. Feels great to hold in the hand. Completely made with metal. But I'll leave that for the actual video. Why do we speak about the Minolta when we're doing an unboxing? So I hope you enjoyed this session. And we'll have more content coming in every day related to older cameras and what was the technology used back then. So if you like this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you'd like to see more content like this. Thank you guys, and this is me, Arvind, signing off from what's your table, what's on my table. Thank you.